How to make this video in 3 minutes. Open Sketchfab and search for PUBG Player or PUBG. Select whatever model you prefer. Download the model in .gltf format. Next, open it in Blender and export in .obj file. Retexture all the low-res textures in Substance Painter and export the textures. Open Mixamo.com and load the .obj model in it, place all the joints and press Next. Wait for a moment, it will rig the character. Import the model in Blender and pose the character and give it a gun or any other weapon you like. Animate the character holding the weapon. Set up a scene and lighting, however you like, and hit render. Add some video effects in any video editing software or mobile app. And here your work is done. Hasta la vista, baby!